My name is Iben Brain, and I work at Airbus Defence and Space, and I've been working at Airbus since 2011, and currently I am head of robotics.
Excellent. So Iben, basically, as far as I understand, you started your journey in automation really early, and I think at that stage in time, there was no real guidance in the industry to tell you what you should be doing or how you should go about selecting an RPA provider. Now, first thing is, why did you think that you wanted to go down the RPA route?
Okay, well, very interesting question. Actually, when I more stumbled upon RPA, so robotics, and that was because back then, in around 2016, I was looking for more automated solutions for financial closings. And upon doing that, I was looking at several solutions where then I realized that there was a lot of built-in automation. And then I investigated further. I was talking with people, and then I came upon robotics or RPA. Mm-hmm. And then I just started cold calling companies up. I think I cold called you guys to get information. So, and then that's how the journey started.
Excellent, excellent. And then since, as I said earlier as well, we now think about automation, the strategy for automation, right? You have a top-down strategy, which is all centralized. You go about looking at the high volume processes, and then you've got the bottom up. How did you start that journey?
Okay, the journey then started, of course, bottom up. So actually, just me and some colleagues really investigating and then starting our first POCs and pilots the normal way. And so that initiative, it took a while because we had other jobs to do. Mm-hmm. So it was more of a, let's say, on the side. But then we saw that it had such great potential that it really started catching on with the business. And then we then had to change this bottom-up approach to become more of a, let's say, to get more management attention and to have, let's say, a management mandate to, let's say, enable us to really then drive automation within the entire organization.
So from what I'm hearing, you've done the startup phase, which is you started within your department, you saw the benefits, then you made it relevant to the enterprise by going to your business and your IT folks to do much more broader automation. What is next for you?
What is next is really to really push the, let's say, the industrialization phase of robotics. So I would say we're between, let's say, scaling up and industrialization. And this is where we're really now building up a team, building up the resources, and educating people on robotics in order to increase the automation rates within Airbus.
Excellent. One final question. How important is executive sponsorship in an initiative like this?
I think it's very important because if it stays, let's say, very decentralized or very bottom up and decentralized, you can lose the strategy, your RPA strategy. Mm-hmm. You can lose, let's say, the focus, and you can, let's say, replicate a lot of different, let's say, activities or resources. And you may lose some of those efficiencies if you stay, let's say, in this silo approach, which, and let's say a mixture of, let's say, top down and bottom up or central and decentral. At least at Airbus, currently in our journey, we are finding that that's, at least for now, the optimal approach.
Even that is very insightful, and thank you very much for sharing.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.